How to create a Google AdSense account for YouTube. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an AdSense account for your YouTube account or for your YouTube channel. But the very first thing that you want to have to keep in mind is make sure that you already have the monetization option, which will be visible at the left portion of your screen on your YouTube Studio channel. Hit on channel and choose on monetization. Now, there's actually no point of creating an AdSense account for your YouTube if you're not yet monetized. So you just have to make sure first that you already have that option. So if you tap on monetization, you will be redirected into step one, step two, and so on and so forth. For you to set up your Google AdSense, to choose on the step two field, and then just simply click on Fix in AdSense, and you will automatically be redirected into this website right here. So if you manually typed it in, which is going to be the link right here, you will be redirected here. You can choose on sign up for a new AdSense account and then choose the designated email address that you would like to use. And then on the next page, this is where you will actually set up or create your AdSense account. Now your site is going to be the link on your YouTube channel, and then just simply fill out these remaining options here for you to create your AdSense account. And that's it. That's how you create Google AdSense account for YouTube.